Yo! Stay tuned for some epic big air kiting, to see my wife landing her first boogie loops, and for a super detailed spot guide of one of the windiest places in the whole entire world. Welcome to Masirah Island. We're in Masirah Island, Oman, and my wife just did her first boogie loops. Check it out. Boom. Very nice. Boom. Here we go. Big one. Boom. Nice. Boom. There it is. Hoppa. Boom. There we go. Good job kicking it off. All right, kick it off. Oh. Boom! There it is. Hold it. Hold it. Oh! 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 That was fucking massive! Oh no, babe. Your GoPro didn't turn on. Oh, these fucking GoPros. Oh, babe, I'm so sorry. Can you do it again? I'm just lying to you. I got it. If you're enjoying this episode, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeehaw! So Jasmine's out on the 6 meter now. I'm gonna put the drone up and get some sick footage of her. She's got the spot all to herself, and if she's feeling good, I think she's gonna pull some more boogies. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm excited. Alright guys, so unfortunately the drone battery died and Jasmine just did a massive boogie when I didn't have the drone up. So I'm going to head out there with my Insta360 camera and get some sick harness mount footage. If you want to get awesome footage like this that's coming up, then check out my video how to get super fucking awesome 360 kitesurfing footage. Otherwise, I'm going to run off the road and jump into the water. Nice little way to start the session. Tip for that is run a little bit upwind. It's almost the same as when you're edging. You got to run into the wind, create a little bit of induced wind, and that's going to help you glide into the water. Oh, check this out. Braced up, feeling good. People ask me like, how are your legs? And I'd say I'm at 80%. I'm like, still taking it pretty slow. Not doing anything massive. I feel like I can't afford to have a proper hard crash yet. It'll be a good few months before I'm ready for that. So, just kind of playing it pretty safe. Ciao. So, Masirah Island is this charming little fisherman island in Oman, which is this tiny Arabian country right next to the United Arab Emirates. There are lots of beautiful windy kite spots all along the west coast, which are great for big air. So, the wind is warm, steady, and strong in the season. The season is from May to September, but the windiest months are July and August. In July and August, you can typically expect the wind to be between 30 and 40 knots every single day. However, we were there this past July and it wasn't that windy. So, you know, it's the wind. You always roll the dice, right? So my favorite size for Masirah is my 8-meter XL7, but I recommend packing a 10 and a 13.5 just to always cover your bases. But honestly, if you went there with just an 8 and a 10, you should be styling. All right, so what does it cost? Well, I recommend staying at the Man Hotel, which is in town. It's $50 per night for 2 and it includes breakfast. Meals in Masirah Island range from $5 to $15 per meal per person, and the food is delicious. There's great local seafood, Indian, Pakistani, Turkish, and other delicious food to choose from. Car rental is about $25 per day, and you'll need a car to get around. All right, so how do you get there? You fly into Muscat International Airport, rent a car or take a bus, and drive to Shanna Port. Then you hop on a 1-hour-long ferry from the port to Masirah Island. All right, so what's so special about this place that I made a video about it? It's uncrowded, super windy, it's got a unique culture and a wonderful experience, and the locals love to watch us fly. It's pretty far away from just about everything, but you'll be stoked to know that there is a really good local hospital. So if you ever need stitches or anything like that, yeah, they got you covered. So how's the internet? There are some good Wi-Fi connections with decent upload and download speeds, but it depends how many people are on the network. And if you're like me and you like to work remotely, having Zoom calls or uploading and downloading large amounts of media, then I recommend getting a SIM card at the airport just in case. I got an Omantel SIM card and I loaded it up with 100 gigs or so. I think it cost me around about $100, and yeah, I highly recommend doing that. So what else can you do there? The first time we went to Masirah Island was a couple of years ago, I think 2019, but we weren't able to return because of COVID. And when they opened up the borders, we came back and I was so stoked to see that the owner of the Man Hotel had opened up a beautiful recreation center. So in the rec center, you're gonna find a bowling alley, a gym, table tennis, pool, a swimming pool, video games, air hockey, and more. We had a super good time there, even when we weren't out kiting. So most people are required to get a visa before entering the country, but you can get your visa online and it's super easy. It costs a couple bucks and you should get your visa within 1 or 2 days after applying. So if you want to learn boogie loops like Jasmine, then I recommend getting on a 6 or 7 meter XR7 with 22 meter lines on a Sensor 3 Pro bar. It's the perfect setup to learn boogies. And I also recommend watching my How to Boogie video. Meow. Guys, I'm gonna put my kite down. Can you catch it? All right. Yeah, my guys. There we go. Yeah. This side. Yeah. Hold it. Yes. Hold it. Yes. Hold it. Stay. Don't let go. Keep holding it. Yes, brother. Thank you so much. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can do that over here. And I've made another video for you and I think you're gonna love it. And I put that over here. Otherwise, if you got any questions or anything to say, just drop them in the comments. And please be sure to leave a little like so YouTube knows that this video is dope. Muchos besos. Adios.